Hi dear friends, it has become a most favorite pastime for me to share all my experiences, positive, and explain the traumas, the problems I have faced, and the lessons I have learned. All these things I always would like to share with my near and dear, so that if the similar problems once they face, they may get a solution. This is one way of helping others. Yes, I am with you. You can try this, you can try that. One important issue which mostly Indians they have forgotten to give sufficient importance is the issues related to our mental faculty. I have told you last time itself in a video, and I also write number of times, giving the importance to the importance and necessity of keeping your mental faculty clean, because it is a director for you, it gives a direction, it is a storage, it is a director, it is a processor, it does everything. Body is just a mechanical thing here, the heart is just pumping, the lungs are just beating, the kidneys are just functioning, but the whole direction, the switch is here, and that is our mental faculty. A person who is having some problem with their hand or with his legs, immediately, Baba, I am having a body ache. He will take some Crocin, some sort of a paracetamol or Tylenol. He will cover himself with a bed sheet and sleep as if it's the biggest thing. But feeling like that he is so ill for even a small body ache itself is an issue, something connected to his brain. He doesn't know that he is actually mentally very, very weak to face anything. And most of the people in our country, they even do not know that they are having the problems related to their mind. So they think, mind is not good, my moods are not good. I see this because I'm staying in Bengaluru, in a very big community where all the surroundings are filled with the people with high-tech knowledge. Still, I never find them giving any importance to the subject called a psychology, a healthy psychology, a habit of keeping not only their body healthy, clean, but also to keep their mental faculty clean from any negativity. Added to this last year, COVID situation has added much more gravity to the situation of stress being faced by everybody across the globe. Recently I happened to read an article somewhere where the author tries to tell the importance of connecting ourselves to the nature around. Connecting ourselves to the nature around. You see, some morning I wake up in the morning around 5:30, like that I wake up, look at myself from the window outside. The world is just waking up. The sun rays are just peeping up very lazily from out of the thick bushes in different designs. Yeah, I have a cup of coffee, go out for a walk, fine. A beautiful drizzle, a moist, called a frost or something like that, dropping on your head in a magical way, in a mystical way, making you forget that you are in this world. Look at the trees, beautifully covered with the dew of the misty frost, covered all through the night. The birds taking care of their kids in the beautiful nest, bidding goodbye, flying away with a running speed and electricity. For nowhere they will go, only to fetch that day's food. They don't have any problem, they don't have any stress, they are living. In fact, they are with the nature. Whereas our human beings, I'm just asking you, my dear friends, how many months, years are over since we have seen the sunset or a sunrise. How beautiful feel it is to look at the morning sun rising its hood, assuring everybody that yes, the night is over. I am there now to protect you, to energize you. Is there any time for us to look at that? The best thing, and one more thing why I have been telling you, last time also I have told you, the amount of importance that we give for the overall quality of our body, we never give it to our mind. As I have told you, the mind is a big machine. It is doing all miracles. It is storing all the information. It is directing you how to act, when to act, what to act in different occasions and situations. It releases different hormones. It processes, if at all you are in a problem, it processes your issues with a great speed and helps you to face the situation. But you tell me, how much of our mental faculty, what we are using now? Out of 100, you look at the kid just born, out of 100 his IQ will be there. But the more you grow, the more dust you get to your brain, the less is the speed of your processor, just as you are seeing in the computers. My dear friends, just hook up yourself to the beautiful nature around. You need not go to foreign countries and other countries to enjoy the nature. The nature is just in front of you. Just stand outside. Look at the small lily flowers, wagging its tail, driving its attention. Yeah, I am so beautiful. Look at me. You make friendship with some of the beautiful plants, the tiny plants in your garden, even on the roadside. Go, spend some time looking at them, talking with them. Hear the beautiful humming sounds of a bird. Once I wanted to test it. It says coo. I also said coo. That coo went on for 5 minutes. It's a beautiful experience, mixing with the mother nature around and forgetting yourself and feeling your mental faculty, first cleaning the dust away, making it fully fit, fully functional to work at least 50% out of 100%. Because the dust which is accumulated in our brains, it is hard-coded, very hardly embedded and very difficult to de-rust it. The latest rust, whatever is there, maybe you can try that. But once you are connected to the nature around you, you yourself can see the astounding results in your own mental faculties. You will always be extremely happy. The happiness which I always call a state of ultimate bliss, where you feel that actually you are floating. You are floating actually with happiness. Can't describe the happiness. My dear friends, yes, let us take a resolve. Morning when you wake up, just spend 15-20 minutes, particularly people like us who are retired. Maybe youngsters, they may not be having time. Retired people, yeah, let us make some sort of a friendship with other living beings. Yeah, they too have their life. The other day, every day I go to my garden and spend some time with each and every plant. I say hi to it, even though it may not respond. But it's a beautiful and a lovely feeling. The results are amazing, my dear friends, I'm telling you. Just spend half an hour to 15 minutes to half an hour every day amidst beautiful nature around you. Connect yourself to it. Feel that you are a part of it. You observe the results. Within 15 days, you feel there is a tremendous change coming in you and a new energy oozing out of you. Thank you for patiently listening. God bless you. Srinivas. Bye-bye.